Mbiamano sana umwanchi umulie betasenikia Ndizi TV nigo cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona margoba asengo kwaligania semesa yamangana maya elinde ngomenye asenchira iyo wenye aliabereka gokorekana akora chingongo chionsi inyechense kwenda sinse mochi che mitandao asense ya Facebook na bagotonyara wetra Ndizi TV News Digital na baga sense ya YouTube na bagotonyara wetra Ndizi TV News asense mo ya website na bagotonyara wetra www.ndizitv.or.ke Eretarene Fridah Kerubo ngukwaligania bene elinde tusange ase obwamo rekugulira ase orogongorwa Gusii nigo obochori ase echiro ya nyamache bagendete gokorekana ase abarone bakurwanira ebirogo airinde kwenyorera obobwi nabo igokora abonchiriria ase miaka 3 eribosyo nabo igaso obochori bwabete bakorekana ase enseri ya Nigeria wananigo omubui aberega koraligwa bene kurende asensemo yabamerere nigo bamererire obubwebwo asibaganirie ekyombegetene tobochori kurigereria buya obochori obwo nabo igekero kuriria se ebunge ya Nyaribali chache nigo omubunge ZAHEER chanda aberega kurobokonyi we school fees ase aborokigwa bali batali kwenyara maiga yokonyorwa ko elikia ase omoroberio obwechibasari mwanchumuliye ngwira nanda segekegeke Kerubosyo elinde ngomanye amange Ingo chaka kigima omwancho muligereria nigo chakera county ya Kisii asengo kumanya ibuna nigo obochori bogendete gokorekana ase echiro ya nyamache ase abarwaneri abeso kirebene nabo gokorwanira ebirogo asensemeyo ase ekirogo kya man rep women rep nabo igo asensemo yabasaye abanyakirogo nabo igo asensemeli yokora abantu bale nobolema okwana omo director Zakari Mosenigo abagakwane kibuna nigo obochori bogendete gokorekana asenchira iyo bwene nabo igo obwasyuku
igo nara yare gaiga tari nyamacho kaigo ntware ngenya koe nande tichiro hospital ya Gusii andonse Kerubo botenenerio buya eserikali gokorega asibuya kiara nebwata abantu bakonyana na barabu iga abantu baito oboraibwa omugabano ito His Excellency Simbarati igatagete tokorega asinama goka marabwe totabwati kende gyonse igo twachirega iga with a lot of transparency tokore abanainchi boka bechorera baraibabo
mana bono gisturidi jeto nyinge jamagayisiegere ekina gitora bito koigora abange na baito bakoni binte chiro mbabwate sabakonali igo ikatoligia se abange nabo bego sabanali binte byabo egento kende abantu ntobata abantu abange nyamaje banje temecheza ege wanje gitu ganya nyamaje wetere county government etokonye tokerosi abantu bito baguse talent jawo egento kende gya gatatu nyamaje ito nyaje teka ekaiwe jire chombe mangana yaga
Omubunge Onyaribali chache ZAHEER chanda nigo alire eirabuna nigo arachigwa kanera aborokigwa school fees ase emiaka ene erebosyo anigo ago chamagayo kuimuki egetambukero nabayigo kolikya aborokigwa emerongo 32 ababete bakonyorwa kwelikya ase omorobeli bwe kwenyorera chibasari.
We are gathered here today because it's a very important day for me. As you are aware, we have students who did not manage to get the bursaries because of late applications, and some of them come from very vulnerable background. So I decided, as a member of parliament and as a human being, I decided to bring them together. I have about 32 students that come from very poor families. I have decided as an individual to fully fund their school fees for the next 4 years until they clear school. I have gathered them all here. We will take them to school tomorrow, and I will be able to pay for all their expenses, starting from shopping and all their school fees. This is my is in regards to ZAHEER Gender Foundation that is on the process. So I've just decided as a human being and on a humanitarian ground to support these students, because I was approached the other day and I was told that there are students that they are demoralized because they can't just pay school.
Magega y'obocholi gokorekana asenseri ya Nigeria bono nigo ekiombe gitento bocholi asense yogeso kiribene nabo igo korali omorai bwense buna bola Tinubu oinere orabe omorai bwense asense yo ya Nigeria korende asense mo yabamirani nigo baba kwamerere igoro ya machibu y'obocholi bo asabane kibuna bocholi bo mwako igambo beti bokorekana asenchira y'obwene nabo igo obwasioko.
Tinubu Bola Ahmed of the APC, having satisfied the requirements of the law, is hereby declared the winner and is returned elected. Thank you.
Omwaziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu Ombaki wananigo ayenekiribuna serikali ya Kenya Kwanza taligo chikomenta school fees anigo ayakwana ase university ya Kabianga chingaki bali GOCHENGERA emyaka 10 yobokoleri bwabo.
The government has come to a decision where we say the school fees should be increased from 16,000, the way it is now, to another figure. That again. It does? I'm saying, a moment, the school fees, let me say this, the school fees is how much as of now? The school fees that you pay is only 16,000. How much do they pay? So what we are saying is that government has not increased school fees, and all that was done in Mombasa, the Vice Chancellor's Conference was just people giving their views. And as government, we have not been able to make a decision on matter school fees. So government is continuing.
Omorai wense Dr. William RUTO nigo atwara EGEIKARO litkolierero ase enyomba yoborai enene imeumochio Nairobi ase abaga kumerana n'abambassador abayakorwa ase ense ya Egypt korwa sensemeri ya Cyprus naboigo Malaysia naboigo korwa ase ensemeri ya Malawi Democratic Republic okwana kora chinseme chonigo abaga kubaligania ase egasi abo enya ase abaganilia Amayia naboigo obokoleri obya asagani kobuatrana elinde kweneki onsi aikeranire.
Long-standing cordial relations have thrived in Egypt and Kenya for many decades, even before independence. The two nations and peoples have stood hand in hand in the fight for liberation. This was reflected after independence in the choice of the government of the Republic of Kenya to have its first diplomatic mission abroad established in Cairo.
Allow me once again to convey to Your Excellency, the government and the people of the Republic of Kenya of fraternal greetings and best wishes.
Thank you.
Congratulations on your appointment, Ambassador, and my best regards to the President of Cyprus. And I look forward to working with you as you further our relations between our two countries. Again, congratulations and my very best wishes.
I wish again to reiterate my profound gratitude for having been given the opportunity to undertake this extremely honorable and important mission. I'm convinced that during my tenure, the relationship between our two countries will thrive and our people will work in an even closer union.
Digital economy, halal industry, cybersecurity, and health services.
Omunyakerugo bw'abantu bali n'oburema imi kaunti ya Kisii Kintabo nigo aburirie serikali gukora obotuki bwisaine aniga gocha magiga ya serikali kaunti ya Kisii kubwatuka oroboti asibaganirie kumanyana ki serikali ya kaunti yo yabetege konyora chikadi cy'abantu bali n'oburema
igore ndengo sabe serikali national government kubwatekana na DCI bakoro bonguri ndikia beteke TRH bakoro bonguri ndikia beto bisia director of health bakoro bonguri ndikia beto bisia national council aiga Kisii county bisia rugito baungurie batebe ngaki mwaka kyoga bantaba ba registration na ende nkobori musiko arati kwareka nengano maremure kwa ungoiri kwa nyendere n'abantu mbareo bari fake bari 5600 kwa nyendere abantu mbareo fake 100 babwato barema ese serikali yawo achakire lakini tindaranga noro maremu muno kulika abantu babwato barema togo cyase kisisi cyao ondetayo bwato barema togo cyase kisiyo cyao abantu mbarao baito babwato barema bakora kianda chi interview cyaeta ondetayo kwa eto nono yomo bwana toko boriga osenche ngo boriyo no kiongozi wa mafukisi ingiga kogera
egati yaba MCA korwa asensemo ya Trans Nzoia bono nigo besokiri bene nabo igo kumwegerera umugabana wa county yo George Natembea aseba mochirie obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja ase okurage byara gucia ase umugabana yo gokwana nigo bane kibuna baraboti babu ati chinga kicyelyo mana aseba ene kibuna nigo bagendete gukorera emirimo abamenyi bensemeyo.
We are no longer going to be followers. Kufuata watu tumekataa hiyo maneno. Wacha wengine pia tufuate kwa bwana. Namna gani bwana? Hatuwezi kuwa tunafuata tu namna hiyo, hapana. Kwa hivyo sisi hatuna time. Hatuna wakati wa kwenda kulumbana na watu. We don't have time. We don't have that luxury. Kama wazungu wanaweza kuamua kwenda kucheza kati na analipwa. Hapo ndo kucheza kati ulipwe. Utalipwa na nani? Lazima utamwaga jayo, si ndio? Sisi Trans Nzoia tuko katika ile nafasi ya kufanya kazi. Itafika mahali ya kufanya starehe, ya kupiga story na kutembea na kupiga story. Lakini kwa sasa sisi watu yangu ni kuwafanyia kazi.
Ukweli ni kwamba DAP iko na gavana mmoja peke yake. Huyo gavana anaitwa nani? Na wakicheza na George Natembea, hata kama ni chama ya DAP, sisi tuko tayari kupambana na hao mundu.
Omuchando bwechinda nigo berigo kwenekigwa asensemo ya bugia kumuye gotoka imeyo bunge ya Bonchari county ya Kisii kulende aborokigwa korwa asensemo ya Equip Africa mbabete bagotalira chinseme cyo naboigo korwa obokonyi abamenyi benseme yo nigo besokiri bene naboigo kubolia ababwatani gwesokia ase obunge elinde kubakonya gukora omuchando yo.
Nasema ni asante, mnakuja kutusaidia, mtawavaa dawa. Nashukuru. Nakuwa tunasumbuka hiyo dudu inakuwa natusumbua sana.
Kama vile nyumba inaonekana iko chafu, wao wenyewe hawaogi vizuri na vile vitu ambao wanatumia kwa kulala hawasafisi hiyo vitu. Yote ndio yanachangia hiyo wadudu kuingia katika mireni mwao.
So we treat them and then from there we educate them on what they're supposed to do so that they can control the problem. Number one, of course, things that can help them to maintain their personal hygiene, like, they need the soap. Some of them they don't have. And another bigger challenge, most of them are saying, they don't have enough food. And if someone does not have enough food, that is going to affect them, even their health.
Abarai bechidini anene mono kurwa sedini yege Islamu kurwa sensemeri ya Malindi yogotoka ime county ya Kilifi ningobono beso kire nabo igokogo serelia kurubikana kubwatikana no gochika gukwabete gukuruga kurwa sekigambiro igoro yengana ya LGBTQ kurinde nigo abarai asense ya icho ya Kenya ababeire bakogikelia engane yo asibabolire serikali kuimuki egetambukero kebwenerete.
Sisi kama jamii ya Kiislamu na viongozi wa kidini tunakemea vikali sana swala hili la LGBTQ ambalo sasa hivi linaendelea na linafanyiwa kampeni kupitishwa katika taifa letu la Kenya.
We can't allow that. We Christian Church in Western Kenya, we condemn this ruling which can allow this behavior in our country. That people of same sex can marry each other. We as a church and Kenyan citizen have a right and duty to defend our moral values and to allow laws that can guide our society on the right direction.
Because in the courts, the court they only base their judgment on legal foundations, but they don't base it on morality, and therefore they cannot decide or issues to do with institutions like marriage, family or nation.
Jambo hili linaleta aibu kwa sababu kama sisi ni 85% ya Wakristo, jambo hili linaleta aibu. Lazima tuamuke kama Wakristo na lazima tukatae kwa sababu generation yetu ndio tunapigania. Watoto wetu sisi hatujipigania sahi maana tuko katika hiyo laini. Lakini
Enseyonsi nigegendete gochengera RITUKO lya basubati asenonya nabo county ya Homa Bay etabake gotigwa magega ase baba bakwarigania umuyego monene ase ensemeri ya University ya Tomboya bakoragwa no mugabana we county yo Gladys Wanga nigo abagakurwa obasemia gochya ase abasubati anene mono ase kirenga ikia yagiyoko ene kibunango kora bale chisegi chegenga.
Asante sana na leo tuko hapa Tomboya kuidhinisha siku ya International Women's Day na vile umesema la tano, kwa ukweli Homa Bay tuko na changamoto nyingi ya kuhusiana na gender based violence, mambo ya mimba za mapema kwa vijana wetu wasichana, tuko na mambo hii, changamoto hii ambayo inatukumba kama uongozi. Na leo tumekuja kama kina mama pamoja kujadili pamoja ni vipi tunaweza kukumbana na mambo haya. Kwanza lazima tukubali kwamba tuko na shida. Lazima tuongelee mambo haya. Lazima tujadiliane kama kina mama ni nini tunaweza fanya kwa watoto wetu wasichana, kwa sababu leo kina mama wako hapa maelfu na maelfu kwa sababu wanataka kuzungumzia haya maswala, tuone vile pamoja tunaweza enda mbele. Na sisi kama serikali ya county ya Homa Bay tunatilia mkazo mambo ya kuzungumzia wazazi wetu, mambo ya kupeana afya, our healthcare system, kuiangalia vizuri, mambo ya kuangalia mambo ya our community health volunteers pale mashinani.
Mancho murigeria korwa sorobotiro ni wana ikire omwelio wa mangana maya asebire biga kolende ngo sabato basa guskato basa konyegera gekoraga ensa emo ayona mangeno yanyole asenchira yowekireno inyora asensemo chiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyara gwetira Ndizi TV News Digital na baiga sensemo ya YouTube na bagotonyara gwetira Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotonyara gwetira www.ndizitv.or Magech kamera soko ene kibina ebichana boigo eliogiria gwikira sole asenchira ya bene nere nyanchama abigai erietaria ne Fridah Kerubo ngokoganeria oboligereria obia.